In this video, we are going to be talking about conventional loans, which is another type of loan to buy a house. The definition of conventional loan is simply the loan is not part of a specific government program. It is not backed by the Federal Housing Administration, the FHA. Conventional loans are originated and backed by private mortgage lenders like your banks and your credit unions. These loans typically cost less than an FHA loan, but they can be more difficult to qualify for, and we're going to get into that in just a moment. So what is a conventional loan or a traditional mortgage loan? Okay, so conventional loans and traditional mortgage loans are broken down into two different tiers. The first one is conforming loans and the second is non-conforming loans. And I don't want to blow your mind. So if you would like more detailed information, please feel free to call, text, or email me. My information is on the screen. But in a nutshell, these type of mortgages do have a fixed interest rate, so your interest rate will not be changing throughout your loan term. When conventional loans are executed to you to buy a house, the conforming loan will be sold into a mortgage-backed security, an MBS. And I did a video about that, and you can watch that right here to get some more information. And the purpose of this is to keep those private mortgage lenders liquid, meaning that they still have the money and can continue offering loans to people who want to purchase homes. So how do you qualify for a conventional loan? And the conventional loan requirements for 2022 is that you need to have a credit score of about 660. There are some lenders that will allow you a credit score of about a 620, but for you to get the best rate, your target number should be 660. You need to have a down payment of about 3% at the very lowest. But remember, if you don't hold at least 20% equity, then your private mortgage lender will probably require you to have private mortgage insurance or PMI. The third option or third requirement is you cannot have a major credit report issue like a bankruptcy or a foreclosure. The loan amount for conventional loans, it was just raised to $715,000, which is up from the $647,000, but you can only purchase a home using this up to that $715,000. And typically the loan terms for a conventional loan are set for a 30-year term, but it might be possible to qualify for a 15 or 20-year conventional mortgage, which will lower the amount of interest paid over time. And speaking of the interest rates, you do have some options. You can have a fixed rate mortgage, or you can have an adjustable rate mortgage. For interest rate options will depend on your credit score and your overall credit history. So the pros and cons of a conventional loan. The pros of a conventional loan is that they typically do have lower closing costs compared to other options. If you have the money to make that 20% down payment, then this could be highly appealing, which also funnels into not having to have that mortgage insurance premium, the PMI, because by putting down 20%, you now have 20% equity in that home. Therefore, it eliminates the need for the PMI. Also, another pro of a conventional loan is that you can use this product to purchase the second home, the vacation home, and also investment properties. So what's the downside of conventional loans? The cons of conventional loans is that it is going to be more difficult to qualify for. The private mortgage lenders are taking all of the risk by offering you this loan, so they will be more strict about the credit score that you will need to have, and they will also regulate or monitor your debt to income ratio. It will have to be lower than that 45%. You can watch this video here about the debt to income ratio to learn more. The conventional loan might be the right loan type for you if you are looking to purchase a second home, a vacation home, or an investment home. If you have credit score above that 660 and have at least 3% for your down payment along with your closing costs. But if you are looking to purchase a home, Make sure that you are talking with a qualified mortgage expert to help you make the right decision about which loan type would be right for you. If you have comments or questions, please feel free to call, text, or email me. My information is on the screen and in the descriptions below. Watch that next video that just popped up on your screen. Thank you for watching. My name is Mary Howard, and this is There's No Place Like Home NC. Take care.